ikaw ay isang guro o non-teaching personnel na nagtatrabaho sa Department of Education, kailangan mo pa bang pumasok sa iyong paaralan o sa opisina kung mayroong idineklarang class suspension ang LGU at walang sinasabing mayroong work suspension? Yun ang pag-aaralan natin sa video na ito. Magandang araw po muli mga kaguro, kaibigan at kaempleyado. Salamat sa inyong panunood at pagsuporta sa ating YouTube channel. Mahalaga ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon, mga kaibigan, kaguro at kaempleyado. Ito ay tungkol sa issue kung kailangan nga bang pumasok sa paaralan, sa opisina ng isang guro o non-teaching personnel kung mayroong class suspension na idiniklara ang LGU, ngunit walang sinasabing mayroong work suspension. Malinaw po yan mga kaguro sa ipinalabas na Department Order number 37 series of 2022 na ito ay may pitsang September 1, 2022, linagdaan ng ating dating Secretary Sara C. Duterte, ang ating Vice President, na mayroong pamagat na guidelines on the cancellation or suspension of classes and work in schools in the event of natural disasters, power outrage, power interruptions, and other calamities. Malinaw po sinasabi sa item number 7 sa guidelines na ito. Sabi ng item 7, maintenance of workforce and activation of DRR teams. Teaching school personnel, including the ALS teachers, non-teaching personnel in school, shall not be required to report to work. Malinaw po, uulitin ko, teaching school personnel, including ALS teachers and non-teaching school personnel in school shall not be required to report for work, except those who are mandated to render security, engineering, safety, finance, sanitation, health, and disaster response duties. So yun po ang malinaw na sinasabi ng ating guidelines. Hindi na kailangan pumasok ng teaching personnel, non-teaching personnel, including the ALS teachers who are assigned in the school. So, magtatanong kayo, paano naman yung mga non-teaching personnel na naka-assign sa division office? Hindi po binanggit dyan ng division office. Ang sinabi dyan, those who are working in the school as non-teaching personnel. Ngayon, kung mayroong class suspension, magsasaya na ba tayo? Dahil wala tayong trabaho, wala tayong ginagawa. Malinaw po na mayroon po tayong gagawin kung magkaroon man ng class suspension batay sa ating guidelines. Sa item number 6, ang sabi dyan, adjustment to learning delivery due to suspension, cancellation of classes. In the event of canceled or suspended classes, modular distance learning, performance task, project, or make-up classes shall be implemented to ensure that the learning competencies and the objective are still met. So, pag mayroong mga class suspension, hindi ibig sabihin na wala na tayong gagawin. Magkakaroon pa rin tayo ng mga iba't ibang activities, either make-up classes, modular distance learning, performance tasks, or other activities just to meet the learning competencies. So yun po mga kaguro, kaibigan at kaempleyado, malinaw po ang sinasabi ng ating guidelines sa Department of Education. Maraming salamat po sa panunood. Mabuhay po kayo.